So David, private cask sales have been excellent the past few months. I'm sort of wondering why that could possibly be.
Well, I'm sure there are multiple reasons for it, James. I'd like to say it's because the spirit that we're putting into our casks is absolutely first class. We've got a fantastic distillery here for maturing whisky in the south of Scotland, and it's actually proving to create wonderful single malt Scotch whisky. You know, I suppose that's the party line. I think also people are, just more interested in having their own cask and the pleasure it brings them. And we always say for the sheer joy of winning a cask, and that's how I see it. I mean, people love to come and fill their casks. People love to come on the anniversary of their filling of their cask and sample from their cask. All these types of things. And then, of course, at the end of the process, they've got somewhere around 220 bottles of beautiful single cask, single malt Scotch whisky. And I think one of the things that we do now that makes it even more attractive to people is that we can bottle it and label it to people's choice, and then we can hold it duty suspended and just release the bottles when people want to buy them, pay the duty and release them that way. And I think being able to offer to people is very attractive indeed. So I think it's a multitude of reasons, and I hope to think it's the reputation of the distillery, the reputation of all of us here at Annandale that's helping us. But yes, they are going extremely well, and now it's been increasing steadily over the years, but particularly over the last 5 or 6 months. So it's great news for us.